What's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. We're headed out to the river today. Gonna meet a buddy here. We're gonna do some smallmouth fishing. It's winter time here in Tennessee, but it's gonna be a high of 55 degrees today. So I would think that these smallmouth will be biting pretty good. We're gonna try to learn a few things ourselves and hopefully teach you all along the way. Got him. Good one. Yep, that's a big one, dude. Holy cow. Oh my. Golly. That a boy, Noah.
He was just
first fish. Boy. There you go. I think they're gonna bite today. That's 2 bites. Less than 10 casts. Golly. Oh, big big smallmouth, dude. Oh my gosh.
my gosh.
I saw that tree and I was like, this jig, dude, is where it's gonna be. Oh, dude, is that not what I said though, man?
Yes.
The way this water looked, there's gonna be near this stuff.
Good stuff right there.
Dude, my heart's pounding. My heart's pounding. Thank you, Lord. Man, it's been a while since I've got to flip a jig like that. He's doing good. You like cranking, I'd sit here and just flip this little jig like that all day long. Little net bait trailer on the back of it. Strike King Bitsy Bub. Man, fires me up. I got about 4 other videos I need to post. I just try to do that once a week, but I've been fishing so much on the break, I got about a bunch of footage on my computer I gotta edit. We've been wearing them crappy out. You got one? What's up?
Large now.
Is it? Well, I stand corrected then. I didn't think we'd catch one.
Big one.
Do some slack a little bit. My goodness, dude, that one's colorful, ain't it? There you go. Pretty thing. There you go. Wait. Yeah, it may be good, but we may need to fish some of that stretch up there again. On the back down. We don't have to right now, but if it starts getting slower, we'll know that they liked it more up in the stain stuff. Got him. Oh, big smallmouth, dude. Oh my goodness. Oh, dude, he ate it when I started swimming. Dude, we are about to have a day, man.
I'm telling you.
We are about to. That should have been our 5th keeper already. We've been here fishing for like 35 minutes.
We fished a mile.
Yeah.
Gosh. Let's see.
That's a 15. That's right at it, I would say.
He's light too.
Dude, that's
light
cool.
color.
It's weird how they get that color in the winter.
Got him good too, right?
Yeah. Right there. That's awesome. I love catching them on a jig. I started reeling it in. I started burning it in. That lets you know that they're eating pretty aggressive today. Oh. There he is. Golly, is this another good? Oh my goodness. Yeah, dude, this is a big one. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, what's a big smallmouth? Yep, he's hooked weird. I was like, there ain't no way it's a catfish. release on him. Been out there for, what, an hour fishing? Can't beat that.
I meant to tell you, I would have never found him. You wouldn't have took me in there.
Got it? Oh my goodness, dude. We are catching the good ones today.
Good one. That's a really good one.
There you go. There's some slack out there on him. That coals the 2-4.
Yeah. That's a good one.
That is a good one.
That's probably a 18-incher, wouldn't you think
Yeah,
so?
yeah, absolutely. Hey, boy, son. You're a hammer.
All day long. That grass is fun to fish, you know. Honestly, I like fishing that river grass.
Well, I think I'm gonna have to go back to the crankbait.
Oh my gosh.
Another good one?
Yeah.
Dude, it is. Holy cow.
We can't keep them out of the boat.
Look, they're chewing it too. They eating it head first. Here you go. God, look how thick that is.
Oh, I'm telling you.
Here you go. Dude, that's awesome.
Dang, it's just crazy.
That is awesome. Yeah, you better know your way around. Too, you gotta be careful about them changing water level while you're out there. There he is. No, I mean, I don't. This rod, a little hard to tell. I think he's a good one. Yeah, he's a good one. Yep. Yep.
Small one.
6-pound Tez. Light cranking on a BFS. They'll. Hey, I mean, he ain't like big as the ones you've been catching, but he's decent. He feels good with this rod. There we go. Yeah, he's not even 15, I don't think. Probably a 14. I don't know.
He's pretty though.
Yeah, good fish. I'll take it for a crankbait fish. There we go.
Yep, that's him.
That's him. Here he is, another one. You better get that crankbait in the water, son, on this stretch. Yeah. Yeah. He feels good though. I'll net everything with this BFS stuff. There we go, another one. It's crazy how though, like, good. There you go.
Is he? Golly.
Golly, Noah.
That's probably
Hammer.
I'd say it's the biggest one we got.
I'd say, yeah, no doubt. No doubt. Yeah, for sure.
For sure.
That 1.5 is doing some work.
I'm telling you.
Dude, we have 14 pounds today, I would say.
Easy. That one's a big one.
There you go. Dude, that's awesome. That's a football.
Oh, it is.
I'm gonna pull this a minute longer and see if I can get a bit on it good. I might upsize to the 1.5. Oh, here he is. Got him, good. Dude, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, dude, I think this is a big fish. Yeah, it's a good smallmouth. Yep.
It's a good. He might break the 3-1.
He may just do it.
It's good. I'm about to be trolling here.
No, he'll be a 2.
Think so?
Yep. That's about all we've caught today. Thank the good Lord. It's just been a bunch of solid fish, that's for sure. Scale. He felt like he's about 6 pounds. Wait, rod bent over. I'm talking about. Got him. Perfect timing. What did I just say? That's decent. Yeah, 13 I'd say. Right on cue. I said, well, we ought to catch another one in there. Got one.
Right at the boat. Oh, look how dark.
Dang. That dude's real dark.
Pretty dark.
Hard. No kidding. It's like he's staying up here in the sun all day.
That's right.
That's bronze for sure.
One more. Just tie it up. I'm about to pull it out of the water.
Oh, got him. That's not a very good one, I don't think. No, it's not. Well, that's 18. Oh, thought I had one. Real shallow. Oh, I do. Wait, what? Oh, dude, I got a big one. Oh my gosh. Dude, I was like, I thought I had one. Holy, yep.
Where you at? On the back here?
We come all the way under the boat. Yeah, get him. He's coming in. Dude. Yeah. Yeah, grab it. Oh, dude, he was like, see how shallow that is right there? On them rocks? He was right there. Well, that's 19 fish, I think.
You off right behind that rock.
Yeah, but he was so fast.
Hold on, I got you.
We caught so many twos.
Oh no, bald eagle over there.
Doesn't get much more majestic than that. Bald eagle flying across the river. Let's get 20. We'll go to 20. Got him? Which one?
Two zero.
It's number 20, baby.
20, baby.
Go. That was above my expectations today.
No,
I will
I
say.
figured we'd catch 6 or 8.
Yeah.
Honestly, that's like,
I was thinking best case 10 today.
yeah, me too.
Alright guys, back at the house now. That's going to be all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We done really well today. I think we caught around 22 smallmouth or so. And I believe 17 of them was over 2 pounds. So we put together a pretty good 5-fish limit. I think we had around 13 something pounds. So pretty good afternoon. We fished for about 4 hours. The 1.5 square bill and the 1.0. And then I also threw the jig around a lot. Both Strike King lures. So be sure to head over to the channel and subscribe.